All right, guys, we got a 2019 Infiniti Q50 3.0 turbo, twin turbo. Look at this beast. There's a beast. Anyways, what we got done on this thing? Factory converter, flex pipes there and there. Then it wires into a single there. Then it duals back out. This is like Infiniti's way of an X pipe, apparently. But okay. But it does restrict it a lot and give it a deeper tone. When you take these off, you always want to put an X pipe in their place if you can. And then two factory resonators there and there. And then two FLOWMASTER FlowFXs that we just installed instead of that massive muffler that goes right there. There's a FlowFX there and a FlowFX there. Part number 71415. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then two tips, U-Power tips. He brought his own 4-inch there and right there. And he is a veteran, guys, so we really appreciate his service. We always like to thank our veterans for everything they do for us, because without them, we ain't got nothing. So make sure you always thank them and show them that I appreciate it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. 2019 Infiniti Q50 Turbo, all-wheel drive, FLOWMASTER FlowFX. That sounds clean. Hey, get him out here, Juan, please. Again?
Yeah, let it growl.
Not too much.
Not too much, just nice.
Just sporty, you know?
Yeah.
Fits the car. That's perfect. Your sound decibels? Right at 95. Again? That's perfect. Yeah, that's clean. Go ahead and back it up. Weather's weird, man, this week.
I know.
The weather's so weird.
Rain,
Yeah. We're getting all 4 seasons in like an hour. Yeah, it's clean. Beautiful. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Infiniti Q50 all-wheel drive. Sexy car. FlowFXs. Muffler delete, which is right there. A bit of muffler delete. FlowFX is in its place. Kept the stock resonators. One nice deep tone. That's what we gave them.